Risk-off sentiment prevails in the market. Investors factor in the record growth in the number of people infected with the coronavirus in Europe. France and Germany have decided to reimpose a nationwide lockdown, in France from Friday and in Germany from Monday. The US dollar as a safe haven asset is gaining momentum amid such news. Yesterday, the US dollar index, which measures the strength of the greenback against the basket of 6 major currencies, notched the biggest daily gain since mid-September. It reached the key level of 93.60. If the US dollar breaks above this level, it will be able to strengthen across the board. The lack of progress in negotiations between Democrats and Republicans on a new stimulus package also facilitates risk aversion. Investors are worried about the outcome of the upcoming US presidential elections, whose results are likely to be disputed. Meanwhile, against this background, US stock indexes remain near 3-month low. The dollar-yen pair, which is always vulnerable to any swings in the stock market, is trading flat. Technical analysis experts think that the pair may correct upwards after yesterday's fall. If it breaks and consolidates above the 104.86 level, it may well advance to 105.50. However, the downward movement is also possible if the pair slips below yesterday's low of 104.14. If so, it will tumble to 103.75. Finally, the Australian dollar has perked a clear trajectory. The AUD-USD pair, which is often viewed as a barometer of risk sentiment in the Asia-Pacific session, is affected by risk-off sentiment. It dipped down below the first bearish target of 0.7050, so the pair may hit the levels of 0.6970 and 0.6938. However, it's likely to develop a short-lived upward correction before it decreases. Today, investors are anticipating the report on the US GDP for the third quarter. The US dollar is expected to gain momentum after the publication, as GDP figures are likely to rise after a sharp decline in the second quarter. That's all for now. We wish you a profitable deal. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.